Right. Ow! Ow, 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 ow! Ignore what I look like. I'm probably not gonna upload this. I'm literally just making this so I can practice editing. If this is on the YouTube, hello to my 35 subscribers. I honestly don't know why I have 35 subscribers. The only videos that I've ever uploaded on here are like school related, except for one vlog and like my brother jumping off a bridge.
Have we got a show for you?
I've decided that I'm going to make my breakfast. If I learned this from my strawberry shortcake cookbook. Alright, there's the recipe. Shout out to my girl. What is her name? What is her name? Here's her name. So for some reason my camera stopped recording, but I'm eating a cookie. I also want to point out, I was going to say this at the beginning, that my hair does look bad. I look bad because I just came from swim practice and I'm running on 2 hours of sleep and my whole body. Okay, does this happen to anybody else? Like when you're tired, like your whole body's like hot. I think it's just me.
Normally I would use butter, but because I don't have any butter,
I'm using Pam.
You're gonna cut a circle like in the middle of the bread. So you have this. Whoa! And then you give this piece, you give it to your dog. Sit. High five.
You want to know what? No, I am going to leave.
All right, so then you crack the egg. Oh my God. And then you want to crack it right. Ow! Ow, 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 ow. I cooked it too long and now the yellow part isn't dippy. Like I like the middle part to be dippy. And also, I didn't put butter on the toast. So, in conclusion, this tastes absolutely terrible. Oh, now I'm sad.